Discover the hidden pathway to effortlessly turn your Amazon clicks into cash. With Amazon Associates and Payoneer, your financial freedom is just a link away. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unlocking a powerful duo for skyrocketing your online earnings. Stay with us till the end. Besides what you're expecting, there's a vital nugget of wisdom waiting, which could be a game changer in your online earning journey. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program designed to help content creators monetize their platforms. It acts as a bridge, connecting your content to Amazon's vast array of products. By sharing links to these products, you invite your audience to make purchases, and with each purchase made through your link, you earn a commission. It's a symbiotic arrangement where you, Amazon, and your audience each play a pivotal role. The charm of Amazon Associates emanates from its straightforwardness. You simply share links to Amazon products, and when someone navigates through your link to make a purchase, you earn a commission. This straightforward model removes any complexity, allowing you to focus on selecting products that resonate with your audience and sharing them effectively. Now let's pivot our focus to Payoneer, a financial services company specializing in online money transfer and digital payment services. Payoneer stands as a beacon for individuals and businesses needing a reliable platform to handle online transactions. It has built a robust infrastructure ensuring that your transactions are secure and swift, which is paramount in managing your earnings from Amazon Associates. Payoneer shines brightly when it comes to facilitating international transactions. By intertwining Amazon Associates with Payoneer, you create a seamless conduit for your earnings to reach you, irrespective of your geographical location. It's about erasing borders and ensuring your earnings flow to you with ease. The low fees, currency conversion capabilities, and ease of transactions are attributes of Payoneer that amplify its appeal. Especially for individuals across different countries, these features are highly beneficial. This global financial service makes the process of receiving your Amazon Associates earnings straightforward and efficient. Embarking on your Amazon Associates journey begins with a visit to their website for the sign-up process. You'll be required to share information about your website or mobile app and choose a preferred store ID, typically the name of your platform. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for your affiliate marketing endeavor with Amazon. Upon surmounting the sign-up hurdle and securing approval from Amazon, you're now ready to dive into the ocean of product promotion. Amazon's vast product catalog is now open for exploration. Select products that echo with your audience's preferences and create affiliate links for these products. It's about aligning your product selections with the interests of your audience, thereby enhancing the likelihood of purchases. Creating affiliate links is facilitated by Amazon's SiteStripe tool. This tool is your affiliate marketing wand, enabling you to conjure unique affiliate links for any product on Amazon. Embedding these links within your content creates a pathway for your audience to traverse from your content to the product purchase page, bridging the gap between interest and purchase. Strategic placement of your affiliate links amplifies your earning potential. Ensuring the products you promote dovetail with your content and offer value to your audience enhances the likelihood of purchases. It's about crafting a harmonious blend between your content narrative and the products you promote, nurturing an environment conducive for purchases and earnings. Now transitioning to Payoneer, initiating your journey starts with signing up on their website. The sign-up process is straightforward yet thorough, requiring you to enter your details and provide certain documents for identity verification. This verification is quintessential in ensuring the security and authenticity of your account, laying a sturdy foundation for managing your earnings. With your Payoneer account set up and ready to sail, the next step is to link it with your Amazon Associates account. This linkage is your gateway to channeling the earnings from Amazon Associates directly to your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Payment Information section in your Amazon Associates account and select the option for Pay Me by Direct Deposit. This is your key to establishing a secure channel for your earnings. Inputting your Payoneer account details under the Pay Me by Direct Deposit option is a straightforward endeavor. You'll need to provide your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once done, a click on Submit triggers a verification process. Amazon sends a test transaction to your Payoneer account as part of this verification. This test transaction is a handshake between Amazon and Payoneer, ensuring the connection is secure and ready for transactions. This step is crucial for a smooth flow of your earnings from Amazon to your Payoneer account. Upon the successful verification of the test transaction, your accounts are now linked, and the channel for your earnings is established. Earnings from your Amazon Associates venture will now flow directly into your Payoneer account. It's about having a reliable and efficient conduit, ensuring your earnings are accessible with minimal fuss. Feeling the passion in our content? Ignite it further. Click subscribe, fan the flames with a like, and ring the bell to fuel the journey. Eager for the next spark? Let's rekindle and continue. The earning narrative within Amazon Associates is primarily hinged on the commission rate of the products you promote. It operates on a simple premise. The more purchases made through your affiliate links, the higher your earnings. The tiered commission structure based on product categories gives you the flexibility to choose products that not only resonate with your audience, but also have favorable commission rates. But the earning narrative doesn't end here. Payoneer steps in with its referral program, allowing you to earn referral bonuses by bringing other users to the platform. It's an additional stream of income that augments your online earning journey. The Payoneer referral program is a testament to the platform's ethos of creating a community of users and rewarding those who contribute to its growth. Beyond the individual benefits of Amazon Associates and Payoneer, there's a synergistic advantage when you combine the two. Amazon Associates is your vessel for earning by promoting products, and Payoneer is your channel for receiving and managing those earnings. It's about leveraging the strengths of both platforms to create a seamless and efficient ecosystem for your online earning endeavors. Now let's delve into a critical element: consistency. Success within the realms of Amazon Associates and Payoneer isn't a sprint, but a marathon. It's about laying the bricks of your online earning edifice one day at a time and watching it grow into a fortress of financial independence. Building a thriving affiliate marketing venture with Amazon Associates and managing your earnings with Payoneer is akin to tending to a garden. It demands your time, effort, and a sprinkle of patience. Each day, as you nurture your venture with quality content, strategic product selections, and engaging with your audience, you'll see the fruits of your labor blossom over time. In the digital landscape, every click, every share, and every purchase counts. As you continue on this path, each day adds a layer to your experience, and as a trickle of income can morph into a steady stream. The journey with Amazon Associates and Payoneer may present a learning curve, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing or online financial platforms. However, every query resolved, every challenge overcome, and every skill honed on this path is a stepping stone to mastering the art and science of online earnings. Payoneer not only serves as a financial hub, but also as a learning center. With a plethora of resources available, it aids in demystifying the nuances of online transactions, providing a clearer picture and instilling confidence in managing your earnings. In addition to the earnings, the wealth of knowledge and skills accrued along this journey is invaluable. It's not just about the financial gains, but also the growth in digital literacy, the understanding of online marketing dynamics, and the development of a mindset attuned to the digital economy. The rich tapestry of experiences garnered through navigating the realms of Amazon Associates and Payoneer is integral in evolving into a seasoned online entrepreneur. Every interaction, every transaction, and every decision made on this journey contributes to your reservoir of knowledge and expertise. The mastery of balancing the act of promoting products through Amazon Associates and managing your earnings through Payoneer is an art in itself. It's about understanding the pulse of your audience, the trends of the market, and the dynamics of online transactions, and harmonizing these elements to foster a thriving online earning venture. In summation, Amazon Associates is your vessel to earning by promoting Amazon products, and Payoneer is your conduit for managing these earnings effortlessly. The synergistic blend of these platforms augments your online earning narrative, painting a picture of potential, promise, and financial prosperity. Harnessing the full potential of Amazon Associates and Payoneer requires a blend of strategic thinking, engaging content creation, and a keen understanding of your audience's preferences. It's about laying the bricks of your online earning edifice one day at a time and watching it grow into a fortress of financial independence. Gear up for the main attraction. Journey through a free ebook spotlighting the gold standard of online business tactics set to mesmerize today. But there's more in store. As you turn the ebook's final page, a tantalizing 15-day challenge emerges, exquisitely tailored for your e-endeavor. Guided by digital sages, innovative strategies, and a trove of powerhouse tools, your ascent to online greatness is set in stone. Raring to dominate? Pounce with determination. Dive into the link in the description with fervor and cement your place in the digital annals. Pulling the curtains after today's e-earning theater act. Took a role with the method? Standing ovations or stage blunders? Share your reviews in the comments. Did today's financial performance win your applause? Hit like to encore more acts? Yearning for the spotlight of e-profits? Subscribe and chime the bell, ensuring you're front row for every show. Before the final bow, notice that video spotlight? It's an intro to another stage of online fortunes. Step in and let's star in your success story together. Until the next curtain call.